So what is a website prototype? Website prototypes are interactive demos of a website. These are often used to gather feedback from the client early in the project lifecycle, before the project goes into final development. A website prototype can be any mock-up or demo of what the website will look like when it goes live. It can be anything from a paper sketch to a clickable HTML prototype. However, typically, when people talk about a prototype, they're referring to an interactive prototype of some kind, which allows users to navigate from page to page and use functionality such as drop-down menus. There are a variety of different ways to create an interactive prototype. You can even make clickable prototypes in PowerPoint, PDF documents, and even Microsoft Word, although I would highly recommend against it. But there are a variety of specialist prototyping tools available on the market that are specifically designed to make prototyping easy and fun. In this class, we will be using Adobe XD since it comes with the Adobe CC Suite. But I have also provided some tutorials for another tool, InVision, that you can use if you do not have the Adobe CC Suite, which has a 30-day free trial. So let's take a look at the activities for this module. First, read the articles provided on the website. It is essential that you understand how to create the assets you will need to develop your prototype. These include graphics and images from your comps. Next, watch the tutorials on how to create a prototype using XD or InVision. Finally, you will create a prototype for your final website. For this project, use InVision, which has a free trial, or Adobe XD, or any other type of prototyping tool that you may have already used. You cannot use PowerPoint or Microsoft Word or PDF documents. Create assets for your revised mockups based on the set of comps I recommended in the comments for Project 3. Revise your comps incorporating all the suggestions I gave you. Part of your grade will be based on this revision. So this is something that you need to do before you start working on the prototype. Your comps already need to be revised before you start working on the prototype. Then create the assets from the revised comps and then start developing your prototype. Create an interactive prototype of your final website with at least 3 complete pages or sections. From the demo that I showed you at the beginning of this video, I made a prototype using sections, and both of them are based on using sections, not separate pages. So if you made a long single page website, that's how you would do it. If not, if you're going to make separate pages, then they're going to have different or separate pages that you're going to create the prototype with. Create links to the pages. I should be able to navigate to each page, between the pages, and back again to the home page. Then be sure to upload the shared link to your prototype. So when you're finished creating the prototype, at least in XD, I'm not positive if it works exactly the same in InVision, but right here is a little button that says Share Online. You click that, you copy the link, and then you paste that link in the assignment tool in Canvas. That's it for this module. If you have any questions, get a hold of myself or the tutor as soon as possible.